Good day, everyone. I hope you had a blast these past few days. I am here once again to present to you 4 sandwich recipes that I personally like. And as you all know, sandwiches are easy to prepare, so you can make one of these in no time. Let's have the learning target first. I can prepare a sandwich independently in accordance to the given standards. Let's start with the easiest recipe of sandwich here, which is the egg sandwich. This egg sandwich is a sandwich with a simple egg salad as a filling. The egg is mashed and mixed with mayonnaise and other spices. To make egg sandwich, you will need eggs, mayonnaise, ground black pepper, sugar, and bread. You can use monai or loaf bread. Here is the complete list of the ingredients. You can adjust the amount of sugar and pepper and mayonnaise. Just take note that when you add more mayonnaise, the consistency of the egg salad will be thinner. Separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. This step is optional. You can just directly mash the eggs with fork. I just prefer to mash the egg yolks first and slice the egg whites to have uniform bits of eggs. The next steps are to mash the egg yolks and to chop the egg whites. Combine the mashed yolks and the chopped whites and start adding the rest of the ingredients aside from the bread. You can now use this as a sandwich filling, and you can also use pandesal for this sandwich. To present your sandwich, you may remove the crust from the loaf bread, but then again, this is optional. This depends on the type of presentation that you will make. And here is our egg sandwich. Next is a multi-decker sandwich, which is the Monte Cristo. It is a French egg-dipped ham and cheese sandwich that is either pan-fried or deep-fried. For this recipe, you will need bread, mayonnaise, ham, cheese, eggs, and butter. Here is the complete list of ingredients. For the cheese, it is better to use the square-shaped slices of cheese, but since there's no available, I just use a bar of cheese. First step is to cook the slices of ham. Set this aside. Spread mayonnaise on 3 slices of bread. Make a layer of ham and cheese on the 2 slices of breads. You can see why it is better to use square slices of cheese here. You can also double the amount of ham and cheese so that when you slice the sandwich, you can see thicker fillings. Now for the egg coating. Scramble 2 eggs and put this on a big container enough to put the bread. Before coating with the egg, make sure to compress or flatten the sandwich. This is to ensure that the layers will stick together and not fall apart when you pan fry the sandwich. Then dip this to the scrambled eggs. Make sure that all sides are properly coated. Heat a tablespoon of butter on a low fire. Cook the sandwich and make sure that all the sides of the sandwich will be properly cooked. And here is our Monte Cristo. Next sandwich is the Korean street toast. It's a popular on-the-go breakfast or snack in Korea. These are usually made up of vegetables like carrots and cabbages and added with ham and cheese. It is loaded with filling so the sandwich can be a meal itself. We will need mayonnaise, ketchup, sugar, ham, and cheese. These are the vegetables that are commonly used to prepare the sandwich. I will just use half of the cabbage, and with this amount, we can produce 6 to 8 sandwich filling. And don't forget the bread. Here's the list of ingredients. I did not put a measure on the spread because this will depend on you. I also recommend to use square slices of cheese. Prepare the vegetable filling by slicing the vegetables. Shred the cabbage, julienne the carrots, chop the onion and leeks. Place this on a large bowl and then start adding the eggs. And don't forget to add salt and pepper to taste. I use 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper for this recipe. When everything is properly incorporated, heat a tablespoon of butter and cook the vegetable mixture on low heat. You may want to shape this into a square or rectangle while cooking so that this can easily fit to the sandwich. I divided the filling into 4 so that I can easily flip them. This can be the individual filling for the sandwich. Toast the breads on the same pan. Don't forget to spread some butter on the pan. We are now ready to assemble. Spread some mayonnaise and ketchup on the toast and sprinkle with some sugar. Then make layers of cooked ham, vegetable omelette, and cheese. Again, it is preferable if you will use square slices of cheese. Then put again a layer of the spreads, and sprinkle some more sugar. Serve and enjoy. And lastly, the chicken fillet sandwich. It is a sandwich with chicken fillet and vegetables as a filling. This is also good to eat during breakfast and dinners. For this recipe, you will need 1/4 kilogram of chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of milk, salt and pepper to taste, 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, ketchup, cheese sauce, mayonnaise, and vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, or cucumber. Start by filleting the chicken breast and cut in large chunks. Make a marinade of milk, salt and pepper, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Make a coating by adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and baking powder on the marinated chicken. This will make the coating stick to the chicken. On a separate container, combine the flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and some salt and pepper. Roll the chicken breast in the flour mixture. Shake off the excess flour and fry this on medium heat until golden brown. Just assemble these with any vegetable slices and spread that you prefer. And here is our finished product. And those are just some of the simple sandwich recipes that you can make at home. For CSMA values integration, sandwiches are considered as easy to prepare and simple snacks or meals. The preparation of sandwiches teaches us to appreciate simple things in life. Remember that it is in the most simple things that we find true happiness. Don't forget to focus on the things and people that makes you happy. Let me ask you this. What are the simple things that makes you happy? That's it for now. Bye and have a nice day.